Today I'll be going over my Prograd.uk review, and I'll talk about whether or not it's the key to your financial freedom. It's a platform designed for Gen Z, and it claims to be your ticket to making money online and achieving financial freedom. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share details about a free gift that can help you generate passive income through modern automation. So who am I? My name is Charles Draven from Silicon Valley, and I've been building online businesses for over a decade. I started my online venture because my traditional business wasn't working out as I hoped. And when I got started online, I was a financial consultant at the time, and I was trying to find a way to advertise my company online. And then something hit me. I ended up getting married, bought a house, had a kid, and it was a lot to juggle at the time. And I realized that I needed to create more flexibility in my life. And I was trying to find which business model was right for me. Many were complex, many didn't make that much money. But then I discovered that simple strategies could actually help me earn a bunch of money. So that's what InfoSpike TV is about. I'm just sharing this information to help ordinary people to succeed with straightforward business models. So what is Prograd.uk? It's a free platform designed to help young people navigate the world of finance, boost their income, and achieve their financial goals. It offers personalized recommendations for side hustles and learning opportunities, rewarding users with pro points redeemable for cash or vouchers. It fosters a supportive community where users can share experiences and learn from each other. So let's talk about how does it actually work. So let's just talk about the nitty-gritty here. So you tell the system a little bit about yourself, and then it tailors opportunities for you. It then provides you with drops. These are curated earning activities. And whatever you see, you just go ahead and select which ones you want to do. And finally, you get rewarded twice. You earn from partner opportunities and bonus pro points for completing tasks. So a big question is, how much can you make from all of this? Well, Prograd promotes itself as a platform to help users find side hustles and boost their income, with some suggesting the potential to earn up to £100 a day. However, they don't provide specific income guarantees. User testimonials mention varying earnings from 25 to £300 per week, and that's where they're talking about renting clothes, and then that's to £120 for completing 15 online tasks. So different types of tasks that people could do. It just depends if that's what you want to do. Overall potential earnings depend on the chosen side hustle, time commitment, and individual efforts. While some users have collectively earned millions through the platform, individual results are likely to differ. So that's collectively. Who are the founders? Ethan and Marco are the founders of Prograd.uk. They are passionate about financial literacy and empowering young people to take control of their finances. They actively participate in the Prograd.uk community. And I looked up one of the co-founders here, Ethan Frankel, and he has some information about Prograd, and you can see his post. And I want to talk about something called SWOT analysis. It's what I do in my reviews where I talk about the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So the strengths are Prograd.uk offers personalized recommendations, making it easy to find relevant opportunities. The platform is free to use, removing financial barriers to entry. Plus, the vibrant community provides support and encouragement. The weaknesses are that the specific earning potential isn't clearly stated up front. The reliance on external partners for some opportunities may introduce variability in quality. Just keep in mind is that it's kind of like a broker. You're going through Prograd, but you're working through some other external partners. And also the focus on these side hustles, they might not suit everyone's financial goals or even the lifestyle goals. Like I mentioned earlier about doing a gig where you're renting out clothes. That's something that people may not want to do. And so here are the opportunities. Prograd.uk can expand its partnerships to offer a wider range of earning activities. The Platinum can further develop its educational resources to enhance financial literacy. It can also explore gamification to increase user engagement. So one of the things that I found out is that Prograd.uk, they're trying to help uh, Gen Z throughout the world. So they are expanding with various, into various territories. Here are the threats. Competition from other gig economy platforms could pose a challenge. Changes in the regulatory landscape could impact the types of opportunities offered. And also, economic fluctuations could affect user interest in side hustles. So if you think about this, even if you think about things that happened in the last, let's say 5 years, there were a lot of people that were kind of locked down in their homes. There were a lot of things that happened where people were not able to do tasks or make money. And then also with regulatory landscape, if you have looked into the gig economy issues, especially when it comes to like, let's say Uber and other services like that, they're being challenged by regulatory agencies, especially when it comes to differentiating whether a person is really somebody just doing something, using the technology, or they're actually an employee of the company. So a lot of things are changing in this landscape where a lot of companies are trying to find ways not to deal with this. Otherwise, they have to change how they manage people as employees, and that is actually a big risk and a very big financial, in their eyes, a financial loss. So you just got to be familiar with this whole thing with the gig economy. Prograd.uk, it seems like a legitimate platform with a focus on financial empowerment. However, it's always wise to do your own research and manage expectations. Now, while Prograd.uk offers valuable tools, there's another approach to financial freedom that you might find interesting. So I want to introduce you to something called high-ticket affiliate marketing. And to me, it's an alternative path and it offers the potential for a lucrative financial path to actually obtain financial independence, whether you're trying to look for a way to work anywhere, anytime, and make a lot of money. So let's talk about the benefits here. So you can make substantial commissions on each sale. If you've ever heard about affiliate marketing before, on popular e-commerce stores, you could make, like, let's say 1 to 10%. So even if you were to sell a $100 cart of items, you'd probably just make $1 to $10, which is very low, especially for having a cart value of $100. So the way that high ticket works is that for every single sale, you can make somewhere between 3, 4, or even 5+ figures. So it's a very big difference in the amount of commissions you earn per sale. And you can have a diverse selection of products to promote. It can generate a sustainable and growing income stream. And you can automate many processes, especially since the way I do it, it's very focused on online automation. So if you want to grab my free gift for more details on automating your high ticket affiliate marketing business, make sure that you check out the first pinned comment below, and that will provide you with a lot of details about what I do and how I build a business online. That's all for this video, and it's all about this Prograd.uk review. Thank you for watching.